Hello everyone, and welcome to our English practice session today. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn English. Today, we are going to focus on small talk with friends. Small talk is very important because it helps us connect with people every day. We will learn how to greet a friend and how to ask about their day in a very simple way. Please listen carefully to the sounds of the words. I want you to feel confident when you speak. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning a new language. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. This lesson is designed to help your ears get used to natural English conversation. Are you ready to start our lesson today? Let us begin this journey together and improve your speaking skills.
Hello, my friends. My name is Sara, and I will be practicing with Mr. Only today. We are going to imagine a very common situation. Imagine that Mr. Only and I are meeting at a small coffee shop, or perhaps on a sidewalk near our homes. We have not seen each other since yesterday. When you see a friend, you should always smile and say hello. In this lesson, we will use very simple sentences that you can use every day. We will talk about work, and we will talk about how we feel. We will use easy words so you can remember them quickly. Please pay attention to how we use each other's names. Using a person's name makes the conversation more friendly and polite. Let us look at how Mr. Only and I talk to each other.
Good morning, Sara. It is very nice to see you today. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning, Mr. Only. I am doing very well, thank you. I am happy to see you too. How are you feeling today, Mr. Only?
I am feeling great, Sara. The weather is very beautiful today. Did you have a good morning so far, Sara?
Yes, Mr. Only. My morning was very quiet. I drank some tea and I read a little bit. What about you, Mr. Only? Did you have a busy morning?
My morning was a little bit busy, Sara. I had to wake up early to finish some work, but now I am finished so I can relax. Tell me, Sara, how was your day yesterday?
Yesterday was a very long day, Mr. Only. I went to the market and then I cleaned my house. I was very tired in the evening, Mr. Only.
I am sorry to hear that you were tired, Sara. Did you get enough sleep last night, Sara?
Yes, Mr. Only. I went to bed early and I slept for 8 hours. I feel much better now. Did you do anything fun yesterday, Mr. Only?
I went for a walk in the park yesterday, Sara. It was very peaceful. I like walking because it helps me think. Do you like walking in the park too, Sara?
I love walking in the park, Mr. Only. Maybe we can go walking together sometime. What is your plan for the rest of the day, Mr. Only?
That is a great idea, Sara. Today I have to go to the grocery store. I need to buy some milk and some bread. Do you need anything from the store, Sara?
That is very kind of you to ask, Mr. Only. I do not need anything today because I went to the store yesterday. Are you going to cook dinner tonight, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sara. I am going to cook some pasta for dinner. I really like pasta. Do you like Italian food, Sara?
Yes, Mr. Only. I love pasta and pizza very much. Cooking is a very good hobby. I usually cook rice and vegetables for my dinner, Mr. Only.
That sounds very healthy, Sara. Healthy food is very important for our bodies. Are you working today, Sara?
No, Mr. Only. Today is my day off. I am just going to relax and listen to some music. It is important to have a rest day, Mr. Only.
I agree with you, Sara. Everyone needs a rest day. I am glad you can relax today, Sara. I have one more question for you, Sara. How is your family doing?
My family is doing very well, Mr. Only. My mother is visiting my aunt today. Thank you for asking about them, Mr. Only. How is your family, Mr. Only?
They are doing well too, Sara. My brother started a new job last week. He is very excited about it, Sara.
That is wonderful news, Mr. Only. I am happy for your brother. It is always good to start something new. Well, Mr. Only, it was very nice talking to you.
It was very nice talking to you too, Sara. I always enjoy our small chats. I hope you have a very wonderful and relaxing afternoon, Sara.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You have a wonderful afternoon, too. I will see you again soon, Mr. Only.
Goodbye for now, Sara. Take care of yourself.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. See you later. Now, I will explain some of the things we said in our conversation. When Mr. Only asked, "How are you doing?" he was asking about my mood and my life. It is a very common way to start a conversation. I answered by saying, "I am doing very well." This is a positive and polite answer. Notice how we use the word to when we agree or have the same feeling. For example, I said, "I am happy to see you too, Mr. Only." Now let us practice some more short conversations with small changes.
Hello, Sara. How's your day going so far?
It is going very well, Mr. Only. I am having a productive day. How is your day going, Mr. Only?
My day is going slowly, Sara. I have many things to do, but I'm taking my time.
That is a good way to work, Mr. Only. It is better to be slow and careful.
You're right, Sara. Do you have any plans for this evening, Sara?
I am going to watch a movie tonight, Mr. Only. I like watching movies to relax. What about you, Mr. Only?
I think I will read a book, Sara. I have a new book about history.
That sounds very interesting, Mr. Only. I hope you enjoy your book.
Thank you, Sara. Now let us try one more variation of our small talk.
Hi, Mr. Only. Are you having a good day today?
Hi, Sara. Yes, I'm having a very good day. Everything is going perfectly. Are you having a good day too, Sara?
To be honest, Mr. Only, my day is a little bit stressful. I have a lot of chores to finish at home.
I am sorry to hear that, Sara. Chores can be very boring and difficult. Can I help you with anything, Sara?
You are so helpful, Mr. Only, but I can finish them by myself. I just need some more time.
I understand, Sara. Take a deep breath and you will finish everything soon.
Thank you for the encouragement, Mr. Only. You are a very good friend.
You're welcome, Sara. Friends should always encourage each other.
I feel better now, Mr. Only. Thank you for talking with me.
Anytime, Sara. I'm always here to talk. We have reached the end of our practice session for today. You did a great job listening to our conversation. Remember that speaking English is a skill that gets better with time. Do not be afraid to use these simple sentences with your friends.
Yes, Mr. Only is right. Practice every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. You can practice by speaking out loud along with us. Repeating the names Mr. Only and Sara will help you remember to use names in your own life.
It was a pleasure teaching you today. You are making great progress in your English journey. Keep up the good work and stay positive.
We believe in you, and we know you can speak English well. Thank you for joining Mr. Only and me today. We hope to see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye for now and have a beautiful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.